What if I told you Mitsubishi has built an SUV that could make Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, even Kia start paying attention? At first glance, the 2027 Mitsubishi Outlander looks like another family SUV. But that's exactly what Mitsubishi wants you to think. Because hidden beneath this bold design is something that completely changes the Outlander's future. And trust me, the biggest surprise isn't even on the outside. Welcome back to Noir Velocity, where we bring you the newest cars before they hit the streets. Today we are taking a deep look at the 2027 Mitsubishi Outlander, an SUV that's aiming much higher than ever before. Bolder styling, smarter technology, more premium comfort, and a driving experience that feels far more expensive than you'd expect. But wait until you discover the one feature that could make buyers switch brands. Let's begin. The very first thing you'll notice is confidence. The new Outlander no longer tries to blend in. Instead, it demands attention. The front end features Mitsubishi's latest dynamic shield design with an even larger grille, razor-thin daytime running lights, and vertically stacked LED headlights that make it instantly recognizable at night. Every angle feels sharper. The hood has stronger sculpting. The side profile looks longer and more athletic. Large black alloy wheels fill the arches beautifully, while the floating roof creates a premium luxury appearance. Even the rear has been redesigned with slimmer LED taillights and a cleaner tailgate that gives the SUV a more upscale personality. But that's not even the most impressive part. The body has also been refined to improve airflow, reducing wind noise and improving highway efficiency. It's a design upgrade you can actually feel while driving. Now let's talk about what happens when you press the accelerator. Reports suggest Mitsubishi is expected to continue refining its powertrain lineup, potentially offering improved gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid options depending on the market. That means smoother acceleration, better fuel efficiency, and stronger low-end torque for city driving. The continuously variable transmission has also been tuned to deliver a more natural driving feel. Even more exciting, the legendary Super all-wheel control system continues to improve traction across rain, snow, gravel, and winding roads. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring mountain roads, the Outlander feels planted and confident. But wait, there's another improvement that makes an even bigger difference. Step inside. And this is where Mitsubishi has made the biggest leap. Soft touch materials now cover nearly every major surface. The dashboard feels cleaner. The center console looks more premium. Ambient lighting creates a modern luxury atmosphere after sunset. The seats are wider, more supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, while the available third row adds extra flexibility for growing families. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even more spacious. And then you notice something unexpected. Cabin insulation has improved dramatically. Road noise, wind noise, even engine vibration feels significantly reduced. This changes the entire driving experience. Technology is where the 2027 Outlander begins challenging SUVs costing much more. A large floating touchscreen dominates the dashboard with faster response times and improved graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on higher trims. A crisp digital instrument cluster provides customizable driving information. There's also wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a premium Bose sound system, voice control, over-the-air software updates, and a full suite of connected services. But Mitsubishi didn't stop there. Because the smartest technology isn't actually on the screen. Here's what many people overlook. The Outlander quietly includes features that make daily life much easier. Selectable drive modes automatically adjust steering, throttle, and traction. An available 360-degree camera makes parking surprisingly simple. Hands-free power liftgate. Heated and ventilated seats. Memory seating. Digital key capability on select models. Advanced adaptive cruise control that works smoothly even in heavy traffic. These aren't flashy features. They're the kind you'll appreciate every single day. Once you're behind the wheel, everything starts to make sense. The steering feels more precise. The suspension absorbs rough pavement without feeling soft. Body roll has been reduced during cornering. Visibility remains excellent. And highway cruising feels quieter than many competitors. Whether you're commuting, taking a road trip, or driving with the whole family, the Outlander feels relaxed, refined, and easy to live with. So how does it compare? Against the Toyota RAV4, the Outlander offers a more premium cabin and available third-row seating. Compared to the Honda CR-V, it delivers a more rugged personality. Against the Hyundai Tucson and Kia Sportage, it focuses more on comfort and confident all-weather capability. And compared with the Nissan Rogue, the Mitsubishi stands out with its distinctive styling and super all-wheel control system. Every competitor has strengths, but the Outlander finally feels like it belongs in the conversation with the segment leaders. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet. However, industry expectations suggest the 2027 Mitsubishi Outlander will remain competitively positioned, offering strong value depending on trim level and market. If Mitsubishi keeps pricing close to the current generation while adding these improvements, it could become one of the best value SUVs in its class. The 2027 Mitsubishi Outlander isn't trying to be the fastest SUV. It isn't trying to be the most expensive. Instead, it's becoming something even more important. A family SUV that combines bold styling, modern technology, impressive comfort, practical versatility, and genuine confidence behind the wheel. If Mitsubishi delivers on everything we've discussed today, the Outlander could be one of the biggest surprise success stories of 2027. So, would you choose the new Outlander over the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, or Kia Sportage? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Noir Velocity, and don't miss our next video, where we'll reveal another exciting upcoming SUV that could completely change the market. Until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.